Painting exterior walls that include garage interiors and egress walls can change the protection of fire-rated assemblies and must be handled with code-aware care. When painting these surfaces, start by identifying which assemblies are fire-rated by checking plans, labels on gypsum or metal studs, and any fire resistance design listings. Use only coatings that have documented fire performance for the specific substrate and exposure condition. Ask manufacturers for test reports showing results on concrete, gypsum board, or metal as appropriate. Maintain required clearances and penetrations by not covering or sealing fire-stopping materials, expansion joints, or intumescent edge treatments unless an engineer or the product manufacturer approves an alternate method. If you must replace or remove trim or surface materials, coordinate with the project inspector and an engineer to ensure the assembly's hourly rating is preserved. Small changes can require detail requalification. Prepare surfaces to manufacturer specifications because poor adhesion, added build, or incompatible primers can alter heat transfer and combustion behavior. Always perform a compatibility test patch in an inconspicuous location. Document materials, batch codes, application conditions, and dry film thickness so you can prove compliance if questioned by code officials. Common mistakes include painting over labeled fire resistance markers or intumescent coatings and thereby obscuring critical identification. The fix is to photograph labels, record locations, and follow manufacturer guidance for overcoating or leave labels visible. Another frequent issue is applying a decorative or high build system that is chemically incompatible with a rated underlayer, which can delaminate or change thermal response. Prevent this by reviewing technical data sheets and doing an adhesion and burn test when in doubt. A third problem is failing to coordinate with the building official when a scope change affects rated walls or egress paths, which can lead to costly rework. Avoid that by notifying the inspector before work and obtaining concurrence on acceptable products and methods. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors who do this kind of fire-aware exterior painting, and it helps contractors find work that matches their expertise. We also host a discussion community where professionals and homeowners can ask questions, share details about materials, and clarify how to stay compliant during projects.